Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your root insurance account, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your root insurance account, start by downloading the Root app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is downloaded, open it to begin the activation process. You will need to create an account using your email address. Enter your email and create a secure password. After setting up your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Root Insurance. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Root app and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, follow the prompts to provide your personal information. This includes your name, address, and phone number. You will also need to enter your driver's license information and vehicle details. Make sure to double-check all the information for accuracy. After entering your details, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, proceed by tapping the Agree button. Next, you may be asked to provide additional verification methods. This could include identity verification through a video or selfie check. Follow the on-screen instructions for any required verification steps. Once your identity is confirmed, you can move on to setting your coverage options. Review the different coverage plans available and choose the one that best fits your needs. After selecting your coverage, finalize the setup by entering your payment information. You can choose between various payment methods, including credit cards and bank transfers. Confirm your payment details and submit. Once your payment is processed, your Root insurance account will be activated. You will receive a confirmation message in the app notifying you of your successful account activation. At this point, you can explore additional features and start using your account. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your Root insurance account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.